What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got a new used vehicle, the Team Corally Punisher. Yeah, I had my eye on this for a little while. I ain't gonna even say for a little while. When it first came out, I wanted this. I actually purchased this at RC Discount Superstore for a great price. Like the body looks mean. As you can see, it's in good condition. The person that had it, you know, took care of it, added lights and all that good stuff. Pretty good car. Just let you check out the outside. Like, I mean, you've seen a Punisher before. It's fresh. It's really fresh. It's not bad. Not too many scratches. You know that's not gonna last long. He put the wing higher. See right there. Wing's a little higher than normal. Usually the wing don't be this sit up this high, sit about right here. All that clearance under there. Now for the tires, use the Pro lines. I added these. I added the Pro line tires, and I think they look husky on here. Make it look real husky. Yeah, I like this. I always wanted this vehicle. I really did. But it's so many things, you know, start coming out, and then it's like, well, I get this, I can get something else. Cut the lights on. I'm gonna cut the car on, let y'all see the lights they got on there. Where's the power switch? Right there on the other side. Of course, it's on the other side. Also, came with the Dumbo remote. Got the lights hooked up to the Dumbo remote. Cut the radio on because I don't want no problems.
Yo, check this out. Well done.
So as for the lights, this is how it is with the light. You got white in the front, and you got red in the back. And underneath you see the blue light and the red light on this side for the underglow. And this side is blue. On one side is blue, and on the other side is red on that side. Take the body off so you can see it better. And this button right here controls the light. That look crazy right there, don't it? Got the top lights on there. Yeah, but wanted to let y'all take, he upgraded a little bit on the inside. He has, what is that? A Protect fan on here. Staying pretty strong. And a Power Hobby Servo. Upgraded those things. He got the TOROX ESC 160 amp, and he's running the Kuron. Running the Kuron motor, 2050. I had to mess in the configurations because he had it on. He had it for street mode, so no reverse. But I added back to bashing mode. But what I want to do, I want to take this out real quick. See how I run. I haven't checked it yet. I mean, I checked it, but I haven't ran it yet. So, stay tuned. Be right back. Yeah, I got it out. I got the lights on. Let y'all check them out. It's a little dark, so it'll come out a little clearer. Really don't like the rainbow. I used to like color changing like now. Not too much. Whoa. He got these diffs real loose. I see that right now. That thing not even willing. It's almost wobbling like it got a gyro in it. Definitely can tell that's a Power Hobby Servo. None of my Team Corally cars steer this good. Whoa. That's bad That's bad when these tires have a hard time hooking up on something. That means you're doing too much. Oh yeah, this thing's on point, cuz. There's a gyro in here. This thing is, I see that wobble. Let me see if y'all see it. Y'all see that wobble? Yeah, it's a gyro in here. The guy said he didn't think he had one in there, but it is one in there. That was coming right for me. Gotta turn down the dual rate. You gotta definitely turn down that dual rate. Yeah, the guy bought it, that sold it at RC discount. He don't ride in dirt. But this is a street guy. This car getting some street bashing today. I mean, some off-road bashing today. Yeah, it's definitely a gyro in there. Oh. Definitely a gyro in this thing. Beast! Need a wheelie bar now that I have it. Not even quarter triggering right now. Sort of taking it easy. What I'm doing, I'm trying not to flip. Oh, that's on point. He got the diffs loose, but it's paying off. Got the diffs real loose. I think I'm gonna leave. I like how he set this up. So I'm gonna leave this the way it is. Oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna leave it the way he got it. I like how this just handled that. Minus the gyro. Oh yeah, and the thing about these Proline tires, they grip. They grip. They really grip, man. I don't understand why they don't redo the Punisher. Redo the Skeeter, like revisit the Skeeter. They made another Kagama, which you just came out with the Kagama. Why are you creating another Kagama? Create another Dementor, even though the Jambo took the place of the Dementor, but refresh that. Cause they didn't refresh. Oh, they didn't refresh that yet. You know what I mean? The Jambo is a refreshment of the Dementor, so you figure, why not come out with another stunt truck? Oh, he got a flexible wing on here. I thought I bent something. That'll work. Got an RPM bumper on there. Customized RPM bumper. He got a customized wing on here. Got lights all around. I want to see, can I change these lights to not the rainbow? There we go. Red underglow. I want yellow. Oh my God. I want yellow underglows, like glowing yellow. Let's see, can I do that if I get over here to it? We got blue. Oh, that's all blue. Yeah, they got blue underglows. Well, I'll leave it in blue. Yeah, gyro's definitely on there. You move the radio, the gyro kick it in. It's not that bad though. Yeah, man, this thing is pretty good. Pretty good. Way better than a couple of my Corally cars. And Kagama is one of them. Yeah, I like how he set this up though. I mean, I bought this from RC Discount, but I know the guy that traded it in. He's a Corally guy, and he tunes his Corallis pretty good. I had a couple of his cars, but this is outperforming the rest of them. The style and everything. Yeah, I definitely like how this performed though. You see how that thing just turned right around? Yo, with a little smidge of sliding effect. Yeah, this joint is not bad at all. Oh yeah, these tires grip on grass, jeez. This is the all-terrain tire, if there ever was one. You gotta watch them turn. Since it's so low and the dips are so loose, it don't really it don't flip as bad as it usually would with these tires on here. I don't even think I can get a full throttle out of this thing. Here we go with that. I was gonna let him run on the rocks. Oh! Yeah, there's somebody dog that always chasing the car. He's having fun. Whoa! Be right back. Yeah, man, I just wanted y'all to get a quick look at it, and I wanted to run it real quick. Ooh, look at that wire hanging out. That could have caused a whole problem right here. But yeah, I wanted y'all to get a quick look at my new purchase. I can't stop. I'm addicted. I can't help it. But tell me y'all thoughts in the comments below. So hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.